In this video, we are going to talk about the DCET previous year question paper solution. Yes, we are going to make a series of DCET question paper solution. Please subscribe to our channel to get an updated. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about one of the question papers, and in the next series we'll talk every next video we'll get one of the question paper solution. Okay, let's begin with the first question. Hey, again these two questions are asked. How to solve this? See here, sine of 225 degree. That's what we have to calculate. To calculate this, first we have to take a quadrant system. This is first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. This is 225 degree. This is 0, 90, 180, 270, and again we can write it as 360 degree, right? 225 degree, that is here, right? So this can be 225 degree because it is below 270, above 180 degree. So I can write 225 degree as sine of 180 plus 45 degree, isn't it? 180 plus the distance is 45 degree, just minus 225 minus 180, or 180 plus 45 is 225 degree. Is that so? So we'll get 45 degree by minusing this and this, and also whenever you have an unit place phi, you will be always having 45 degree as addition. We made an entire video explaining how to solve this question. Please go and check out in your YouTube channel, that is JK Academy. Okay, chalo, plus cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, so this will be get cos of 135 degree. Sine of 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta is the third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative, so minus sine 45 degree plus again cos of 135. Cos of 135, it is somewhere here. So cos of 135 is somewhere this. This is an cos 135 degree, right? So cos 135. Cos 135 is in second quadrant. That is 180 minus 45 degree. So sine 45 is what? 1 by root 2 plus cos 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. That is the second quadrant. Again, this will become minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. See, minus apple is minus 2 apple. So that is minus 2 by root 2. Because root 2 is same denominator, we can keep it as it is. Minus 1 is minus 2. Is that good? Let's go to this question. Okay, what is asked? Sine of 180 minus, just taken quadrant. There is 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. This is the quadrant, right? Sine of 180 minus a, 180 minus second quadrant, so sine will be positive, so sine of a will remain as it is. Next, cot of 90 minus a, 90 minus first quadrant, all are positive. I'll just take bracket for everything. All are positive. Cot of 90 minus, that is the first quadrant, this will remain positive, and cot will convert into tan of a, right? Again in the numerator we have one more thing, cos of 360 minus, that is fourth quadrant, and cos will remain as it is, so cos of a, right? These are supplementary angles, right? 180 and 360 are supplementary idea. If you're not getting, we have made an entire video explaining how to get these answers, so please don't forget to check our YouTube video. Okay, let's go to the denominator. Tan of 180 plus in third quadrant, tan is positive, so I have to take this as positive tan a, isn't it? Times tan of 90 plus, that is in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan is converted into cot because of complementary angle. 90 degrees complementary, this and this is complementary, this and this is supplementary angle. So cot of a times sine of minus a. Minus a means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sine is negative, so I can take minus sine a. What else can be cancelled? Sine a get cancelled, and tan a get cancelled, and cos a by minus cot a is remaining, right? So minus into minus is plus, so I can write as cos a upon cot a. So can we write this as cos a times 1 by cot a is what? Tan a. What I am saying? 1 by cot a is what? Tan a, right? So this will become cos a times tan a is what? Sine a upon cos a. So cos a get cancelled. Sine a is the solution. Is that good? Okay. Yeah. Again, let's start with the first question. What is the first question? Sine 2a upon 1 plus cos 2a. This is the question. See here, we know the formula that sine 2a is what? 2 sine a cos a. We have dedicated an entire video for this. Go and check out. And also that's the video name is important formulas for trigonometry. Okay, this is here 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a is what? 2 cos square a. Let's substitute this back into the question. So sine 2a is what? 2 sine a cos a divided by 1 plus cos 2a is what? 2 cos square a. Now 2 and 2 get cancelled, 1 cos get cancelled. Sine a by cos a is the remaining. See here, sine a is in the numerator, cos a, 1 cos a, there are 2 cos a, na? Cos square means 2 cos square into cos, 1 cancel, 1 cancelled, na? So now we are left with sine a by cos a. What is sine a by cos a? Cot a. This is good. Let's go to the next question. What is given? Tan a is given, tan b is given, find tan of a plus b is found, is they're asking, right? So what is the formula? Tan of a plus b is nothing but tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the formula. So tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b is equal to, what is tan a given in the question? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 times 1 by 7. See here, tan of a plus b is equal to, we want to take an LCM. How to take an LCM? In the denominator, this into this, this into this, this into this, right? So 7 into 3, 21 plus this into this, that is 4 into 1 is 4 divided by 7 into 4, 28 divided by, again let's multiply this, 1 minus 3 ones are 3 over 7 fours are 28. Next, 21 plus 4 is how much? 25 by 28 over, here again we can take an LCM. In denominator there is nothing, means there will be 1. So 28 into 1 is 28 minus 1 into 3 is 3 over 28 into 1 is 28. So what do we get? 25 by 28 divided by 28 minus 3 is how much? 25 by 28. So this and this get cancelled. What we get? 1. Because numerator and denominators are same. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, now cos inverse of tan 135. First we have to solve this, then we have to go to cos inverse. So tan 135 degrees, see here, this is 0, 90, 180, 270, and again this will be 360. Now 135 is above 90, so let's take this as above 90. Let's consider this as 135 degree line. So now 135 degree is here. So can we write 135 degree or 135 degree as tan of 180 minus 45? How did I know this is 45? Whenever you see unit digit as 5, it will be in terms of 45. Okay. So cos inverse of, see, tan of 180 minus, that is second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative. So minus tan 45 degree. We have made an entire video explaining these things, that is quadrant system. So please go and check our YouTube channel JK Academy. There is a playlist Mathematics for DCET. Please check that video. It is very useful. It's a 30 minutes video. Once you know it, you will know all this how to write easily. Okay. Chala now. So cos inverse of minus, what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So now we have to know the formula that cos inverse of minus some number. Cos inverse of minus some number is nothing but 180 minus cos inverse number. Okay. Cos inverse of minus number is nothing but 180 degree minus cos inverse of this number. So this is a formula that you need to remember. So cos inverse of minus 1 is what? Pi minus or 180. 180 minus cos inverse of 1. So this will become 180 minus cos inverse of 1. When cos theta will become 1. See here, cos inverse of 1 is, let's say, consider it as theta. Let's consider cos inverse of 1 as theta. We will take this cos inverse as this side. So 1 is equal to cos theta. Now we have to think, for what theta do we get answer as 1? Is it 0, 30, 60, 90 or what? If you substitute 0, cos 0 is 1. So theta value should be equal to 0, right? So theta value should be equal to 0. So I can write cos inverse of 1 as 0. So 0. So 180 minus 0 is what? 180 degree. The solution is 180 degree. To solve this question, what is a known thing or what is an important thing to know is, what is the formula for cos C plus cos D? If cos C plus cos D, where C and D are some angle, if cos C plus cos D, the formula for this is 2 cos c plus d over 2 cos c minus d over 2. This is the formula. Now see here, we'll apply this formula for to this and this number. We'll keep 140 degree aside. So let's solve this. So cos c plus cos d, cos 20 degree plus cos 100 degree. So c is 20, d is 100. So this will become 2 cos c plus d, 20 plus 100, that is 20 plus 100 divided by 2 cos c minus t, that is 20 minus 100. So 20 minus 100 over 2, right? So plus this is there, so cos 140 degree, we'll take it as it is. Now 2 cos, what is 20 plus 100? 120. 120 divided by 20 is how much? 60 degree, right? Times cos 20 minus 100 is how much? Minus 80. So minus 80 divided by 2 plus cos 140 degree. Now cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So 2 times 1 by 2 times cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. So what is the formula? We'll just write it down. Cos of minus theta was cos theta, isn't it? So times cos of minus 40 is what? Cos 40, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So plus cos of 140 degree. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So now we are left with cos 40 plus cos 140. It is same as this formula, right? I'll just rewrite this as cos 40 plus cos 140, because 2 and 2 got cancelled. Now again we have to apply the same formula. Now the c value is 40, d value is 140. So now we will get 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 40 plus 140 divided by 2 cos c minus d by 2, that is 40 minus 140 divided by 2, isn't it? So now 2 cos, what will be left? 40 plus 140 is 180. So 180 by 2 cos 40 minus 140 is what? Minus 100 divided by 2. See here now, 2 cos 180 by 2 is what? 90 cos minus 50 degree. See here, cos 90 degree is what? 0. So this will become 2 times 0 times cos minus 50. So 0 into anything becomes 0. So this whole thing becomes 0. Is that good? Is that good? The two formulas that you need to remember to solve this question is this and this. These are two formulas. It's one of the important most question because it has come several years. Okay. Next question. See, first question of this, cos of 105 degree. So how to do this? Cos 105, cos 105. We can write 105 as a 60 plus 45 degree. Now this will become cos of 60 plus 45 degree. Cos of A plus B, it looks like a cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So if I take this, cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45 degrees. Now if I want to solve, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 times sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So if I solve this in the LCM, 2 root 2 t root 2, so the LCM will be 2 root 2, 1 minus root 3 times 1 is root 3. So how much did I get? 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. We have made an entire video explaining how to solve this. Please don't forget to go and check our second or third video of this series, that is sum of an angle of a trigonometric function. Okay, please go and check them. Then it will become very simple if you watch that video. Okay, let's go to this. Tan square 30, sin 45, cos square 90 and tan 60. So this is very simple question. Tan 30, how much is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Next is sin 45. Sin 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Cos 90 is what? 0 degree. And cos 60 degree is what? 1 over 2. So let's substitute all this. tan square, that is 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus sine square 45, that is 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2 plus cos square 90, cos square 0, 0 square is 0 itself, na? Plus cos 60 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, just I written it. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So this can be easily solved. See here, first we will do this. So 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4. Again we can take LCM. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 6 into 1 is 6 divided by 6 into 4 is 24. 20 plus 26 is, sorry, 20 plus 6 is 26 upon 24. If I solve this, 213 divided by 212, 12, 13 by 12. The final answer is what? 13 by 12. Okay. We have also made a video for this entire video, dedicated video of 40 minutes for this question also. Please don't forget to check it them. If you already know what are the degrees, then this question becomes very simple. Okay. Chala. Now cos is negative in 90 to 180 degrees. So if I take in quadrant, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, na? So it is 180 degree, na? So 90 to 180, 90 to 180, cos is negative. That's what they're given in the question. So let's take a right angle triangle. If this is a theta, this is given adjacent by hypotenuse. That is, this is 3 and this is 5. If I take this as an x, how to calculate an x? Bigger square, that is 5 square equal to 3 square plus x square. 5 square is how much? 25 is equal to 3 square is 9 plus x square. 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 equal to x square. 25 minus 9 is 16 is equal to x square. X is equal to what? Root 16. Root 16 is how much? 4. So the x value is 4. You have to remember 3, 4, 5 are the triplets. So one of the most important triplet that you have to remember. So cot A, this is theta, but this is a given A. You can, I have taken it theta. You can take it as A also. Okay. So cot A is what? Cot A is opposite upon adjacent, or adjacent but upon opposite. Adjacent upon opposite. Cot A is what? Adjacent upon opposite. What is an adjacent? 3. What is an opposite? 4. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Let's go to the next questions. See here, sine of 180. This is on quadrant system. If you have not watched our quadrant system question video, please go and check out it. It is on our what is called playlist. Please go and check it. Okay. This is 0. This is 90. This is 180. This is 270 degree. Again, this will be 360 degree. So sine of 180 minus in second quadrant, sine is positive. You have to take sine. This is a supplementary angle. So sine will remains as the sine and A will remains as A. Cos of 360 minus, which quadrant is that? That's the first quadrant. In first quadrant, again cos will be positive. So I'll take this as positive. Cos 360, this is a supplementary angle. So supplementary angle, cos will remain cos and A we have to take as it is, right? In the denominator. Tan of 90 plus, that is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, minus. 90 degree is a complementary angle. Tan will convert into cot. There is an A, so let's take A. Is that correct? Sine of minus A, 0 minus is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. I have to take minus sine A. Minus into minus is positive, numerator also positive. Sine cos upon sine cot. This sine and this sine get cancelled. So I have cos A upon cot A. This can be written as what? Cos A times 1 by cot. See here, 1 by cot A is given as tan A. Isn't it? So cos A times 1 by cot A, na? So this can be written as cos A 1 by cot. 1 by cot is what? Tan A. Right? So cos A times, what is tan A? What is tan A? Sin A upon cos A. So cos A get cancelled. Sin A is a final answer. So let's go to this question. They ask you to find the value of 22 half degree. See, first let's consider what is 22 half degree. It's a mixed angle, right? So how to convert it into mixed fraction? It's a mixed fraction. Let's convert it into a proper fraction, right? So 22 into 2, we have to multiply this into this plus this. If I have A, B by C, you have to multiply AC plus B divided by C. This into this plus this over this number. So 22 times 2, that is 44 plus 1 divided by 2. This into this plus this number. This into this plus this number. So 44 plus 1 is how much? 45 by 2. What they're asking you to find is tan of 45 by 2. Tan of 45 by 2. How to find this? See, we know tan a by 2 value. We know tan a by 2 value. We know tan a by 2 value. What we need to find? We need to find this value, right? We need to find this value. What we need to find? We need to find the value of tan a by 2. We need to know the value that tan a by 2 is nothing but 1 minus cos a upon sine a. Tan a by 2 is what? 1 minus cos a upon sine a. You need to know this formula to find tan a by 2. So now we have to find tan 45 by 2, that is nothing but 1 minus cos 45 degree over sine 45 degree. What is tan 45 by 2? 1 minus cos 45 degree. This is tan a by 2. If there is a, there is also a. If there is an a, here is also a. So if it has 45, here also 45, it is also 45. So I have 1 minus 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. If I take an LCM, I have root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. This root 2 get cancelled. So what is the final answer? Root 2 minus 1. This is the final answer. Question. Let's start with the first question. What is given? Tan theta is given, that is 5 by 12. So find the value of sine theta minus cos theta. See what we know? We know tan theta as opposite by adjacent. So here given as 5 over 12. So if I draw a triangle, if this is a theta, this will become opposite. So opposite is given as 5 and adjacent is given as 12. We know the triplets as 5, 12 and 13. And also we made an entire video showing how to find this number. Please go and check the video. That is the first video. Okay. So now this becomes 5, 12 and 13. What do we have to find? Sine theta minus cos theta. We have to find sine theta minus cos theta. What is sine theta here? Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. That is 5 over 13. So 5 by 13 minus, what is cos theta? 12 by 13. So this will be 12 upon 13. So now 13, the denominator is same. So LCM will be 13. So 5 minus 12, that is minus 7. So the solution for this is minus 7 upon 13 degree. Okay. Let's go to the next question. What is the next question? Tan of 225 degree and cot of 405 degree. What is given? Tan of 225 degree, cot of 405 degree. So how to solve this? Let's see here. Tan of 225, just take in quadrant system. This is 0, 90, 180, 270 degrees. And again this will be 360 degrees. Okay. Now see here. 225 degrees, this is more than 180. So that will be somewhere here. So this is 225 degree, right? So 225 degree can be written as what? Tan of 180 plus 45 degree, isn't it? In the same way, cot of 405. 405 means this will become what? If it is 360, if I add 90 to this, that is 450 degree. This will become 450 degrees. Now 405 degrees somewhere here, right? We can call this as 405 degree. So this can be written as what? 360 plus some theta, right? So cot of 360 plus 45 degree. Tan of 180 plus, that is the third quadrant. We can directly see this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive. We will take it tan as it is. Tan 45 degree times, again cot of 360 plus, we can say this is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, cot is positive, so we'll keep as it is, and 45 degree, we'll keep it with it. So tan 45 is 1, again cot 45 is also 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, right? This is the second question. Let's go to the third question. Sine 50 sine 20 minus cos 50 sine 20. Okay, I read it wrong. Just write it again. Sine 50 degree sine 20 degree minus cos 50 degree sine 20 degree. I think the question is little jumbled. Let me correct it. This is cos 20 degree. Okay, just let's rewrite the question properly. The question is given as sine 50 cos 20 degree minus cos 50 degree sine 20 degree. This is the correct question. Okay. I made it wrong here. I take it as wrong here. This is a correct question given in the question paper. Sin 50 cos 20 minus cos 50 sin 20 degree. This is a given as question. These two don't care. Just think this is a question paper given. See here, this is something looks like sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Isn't it? See here, if I consider A as 50 degree, sin A cos B as 20 degree. Again, what I can see? Cos A, where A is 50 degree, sin B. So this sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is sin of A minus B, isn't it? So this will become sin of, what is the A value? 50 degree. B value is what? 20 degree. So 50 minus 20 degree. So sin 50 minus 20, sin 30 degree. So sin 30 is nothing but 1/2. Hey guys, please don't forget to check out the video. We have made an entire 40 minutes video about this thing. Okay, at the end of this video, we will be capable of solving. That is a second video in our playlist. Please go and check that video. It will become very simple to solve. Okay. This question they have asked you to find cos of A plus B. They have asked you to find cos of A plus B. We know the formula. Cos of A plus B is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is the formula. Now data is given. Cos A is given as 15/17. Cos A is given. Cos B is not given. And sin A is not given. So how to solve this? See here. Cos A is given. So if I consider this as theta. So this is adjacent by hypotenuse. 15/17, right? So this is adjacent by hypotenuse. This will be 15. This will be 17. Right? I don't know the x value. To find the x value, how to find? Hypotenuse square, that is 17 square is equal to x square plus 15 square. So if you solve this, 17 square is what? 289 is equal to x square. 15 square is what? 225. So if I solve this, x square is equal to 289 minus 225. 289 minus 225. So x square is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. And 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0, 64. So x is nothing but root 64. Root 64 is nothing but 8. X is equal to 8. So x value is 8 now. Now cos A is found. Cos A is found. We have to find sin A, right? To find sin A is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So 8/17. Sin A value we have now. Now next. The given data is sin B. Sin B is given data, right? So given data is 3/5. So if I write a right angle triangle, if this is theta, opposite by hypotenuse, that is 3 and this is 5. So if this is not given, if I take x and solve in the same way, I'll get the value as 4. 3, 4, 5 is a triplets, you have to remember. Okay. So we have made an again video on this. Please go and check it. So 3, 4 and 5 is an sides of a triangle. Now we have to find cos B. Cos B will be what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. That will become 4/5. Now we have all the value that is necessary. So cos of A plus B is nothing but cos A cos B. Cos A value is 15/17 times cos B. Cos B value is 4/5 minus sin A. Where is sin A value? This is this 8/17 times. And what is the sin B? Sin value is 3/5. If I solve this, I should get. So cos of A plus B is equal to. See here, I can keep the denominator as it is. 17 times 15, and 15 4s are 5 4s are 20 to carry 5 1 4 and 4 60, right? 15 4s are 60. So minus 8 3s are 24 divided by 17 times 5. I'll keep it as it is because the denominator is same. So I can write 17 into 5 as it is. And 60 minus 24, 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3, 36 upon 17 times 5. So I can write 36 upon 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5, 85. 36 upon 85. 36 upon 85 is a final answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. So is root of 1 plus sin 2a divided by 1 minus sin 2a. To solve this question, we have to know the formula of 1 plus sin 2a. 1 plus sin 2a is what? Cos A plus sin A whole square. And 1 minus sin 2a is what? Cos A minus sin A whole square. So let's substitute that into the formula. So root of 1 plus sine 2a is what? Cos a plus sine a whole square divided by, so 1 minus sine 2a is this formula, that is cos a minus sine a whole square. So I can just stack root of cos a plus sine a, cos a plus sine a divided by cos a minus sine a whole square, because this square and this square can be written something like this. So this square and this square root can be cancelled. So this will be left with cos a plus sine a divided by cos a minus sine a. See now, cos a plus sine a, cos a minus sine a is nothing but tan of pi by 4 plus a. This is another formula that you need to remember. Cos a plus sine a divided by cos a minus sine a is tan of pi by 4 plus a. This is a formula that you need to remember. Is that good? Yes. Hey guys, welcome to the next part of this solved question paper video. Let's take a first question of the video today. So what is given? Tan theta equal to 2 by 3. Find sin theta plus cos theta. So tan theta is given. We have to find sin theta and cos theta. We know that tan theta is what? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. That is given as 2 over 3. So let's write down a right angle triangle. If this is a theta, this is an opposite, right? The opposite is 2 and this is adjacent. Adjacent is 3, right? Now what we don't know? We don't know the x. Let's find the x value. How to find the x value? See, the Pythagoras says the bigger, that is Pythagoras, that is hypotenuse, the bigger square is equal to smaller square plus a smaller square. So x square equal to 4 plus 9, that is 13. So x will be equal to what? Root 13. Is it correct? 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So x is equal to root 13. So the x value is root 13. So what we need? We need sin theta and also the cos theta. We know sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So this will become 2 by root 13, isn't it? Next again, if I calculate the cos theta is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is an adjacent here? 3. 3 over root 13. Now what we have to calculate? Sin theta plus cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 2 by root 13 plus 3 by root 13. Root 13 is an LCM because both sides is a root 13. So I can just write it as root 13. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is the solution? 5 by root 13. Now let's go to the next question. Hey, the question is given as what? Tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1. They have asked you to find what is the A plus B value. They ask you to find what is an A plus B value, where A and B are some angles. See here, I have the question as tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1. Does it sound somewhere familiar? Tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B, right? See here, where do I know this? I know the formula tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. That sounds something like this. But in the entire question, I cannot find A plus B value. That means the tan of A plus B should be equal to 1, right? If I consider tan of A plus B is equal to 1, I'll assume tan of A plus B is equal to 1. So A plus B value should be what? 45 degree, because tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So if I take A plus B value as 45 degree, so what will happen to the question? So I'll take it as tan of 45 degree is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Now tan 45 is how much? 1 is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Let's send this number here, this component here. So 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan A plus tan B. So if I send this term that side, so that I will get it as 1 is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B, right? This was the given question, is it? So now we can directly say A plus B as what? 45 degree. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the next question given as? Tan of 1 by 2, sorry, tan A is 1 by 2, tan B is 2 by 3. They're asking you to find tan of A minus B. So we know the formula, tan of A minus B is equal to, what is tan of A minus B? Tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan of A minus B they are finding. So let's find out tan of A minus B. Tan A, what is tan B? 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 times 2 by 3. So let's solve this. We have to take an LCM. This into this, this into this, this into this, right? 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4 over 3 into 2 is 6 divided by, again, if I multiply this, 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2 over 2 into 3 is 6. Alright. So I'll take this as 3 minus 4 is how much? Minus 1 by 6 in the numerator. In the denominator, 6 plus, if there is nothing means divided by 1, right? So 6 into 1 is 6 plus 1 into 2 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 over 6 into 1 is 6. So if I cancel this 6 and this 6, I'll get 1 by minus 1 by 8. So what is tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B is minus 1 by 8. Is that cool? Let's move to the next question. What is given? Root of 1 minus cos 40 divided by 1 plus cos 40 degree. So we know the formula 1 plus cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta over 2. We have made an entire video. Please go and check it in our playlist. And also we have 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. We made an entire playlist about the trigonometry. Please go and check it. We have made a video on important questions on trigonometry, and there is entire video dedicated to explain these formulas and how to solve questions on this. Okay, chala. Now let's substitute this back into this. So root of 1 minus cos theta. If theta is there, here theta by 2. If it is 40 degree, it will become what? 40 by 2, that is 20 degree. If you have 60 degree here, it will become what? 60 by 20. So what I am saying is 1 minus cos 40 will be equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. Now 40 by 2 is how much? 20 degree. In the same way, 1 plus cos 40 degree will be happening what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Theta means what? 40. 40 by 2 is how much? 20 degree. So let's take that. So 1 minus cos theta is in the numerator. So 2 sine square 20 degree over, again 2 cos square 20 degree. Right? I can take 2 and 2 out. So this will become sine square by cos square. I can write it as the sine 20 degree by cos 20 whole square, isn't it? Sine square cos square, right? Sine theta whole square divided by cos theta whole square. And there is also under root. This under root and square get cancelled. I will have sine 20 degree upon cos 20 degree. Sine by cos is what? Tan 20 degree. Right? Let's go to the next sum. What is given? Sine plus sine minus cos. We know the formula that cos theta plus sine theta over cos theta minus sine theta is given as tan of pi by 4. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Isn't it? Now if we just change the symbols or just alternate the terms, that is sine theta plus cos theta over sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos theta divided by cos. We just have to take negative common. So minus tan of pi by 4 minus tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Is that good? Is that good? Yes. Now see here. we have sine theta, that is sine 12 degree plus cos 12 degree divided by sine 12 degree minus cos 12 degree. Sine cos, sine cos, sine cos, sine cos. If sine cos are there, what can we take? We have to use this formula, that is minus tan of pi by 4 plus theta, that is how much is theta? Let's take it as 12 degree. So we'll just convert this pi by 4. So minus tan pi by 4 means how many degree? 45 degree. So 45 plus 12. This will become minus tan 7 plus 1, 57 degree. Is that good? Yes. Let's move to the another question paper that you need. That is a previous year solved question paper. This is a series of previous year solved question paper. Let's get into the first question of this video. Okay, chalo. Now what is given? X is sine square 45, tan square 45, cot square 30, sine square 45, and all this given. So what we need to know? First we need to know the sine 45. How much is sine 45? 1 by root 2, right? So sine square 45 will be what? This whole square. So 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square is what? 1 over 2. Again, in the next question, what is sine 45? Tan 45, right? Tan 45 is what? 1. So tan square 45 will be also 1 square. That is 1 itself. So the next thing we need to know is cot 30. So cot 30 degree is nothing but root 3, right? Cot 30 is root 3. So cot square 30 is nothing but root 3 whole square, that is 3. And the next one, sine 45 we know, cos 45. So cos of 45 degree is again 1 by root 2. So if I have cos square 45 degree, this will become 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2. So let's substitute in the formula. So x into what is sine square 45? 1 by 2. So x times 1 by 2 is equal to tan square 45, 1, plus cot square 30. Cot square 30 is how much? 3, right? Divided by sine square 45, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So let's solve this. So x by 2 is equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. So x will be equal to 2 times 4. 4 times 2, x is equal to 8. Did you get the x value? So no? Yes? Okay, let's go to the next question. See, now we have to find a secant pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 means what? Secant 60 degree. Secant 60 means cos 60. How much is cos 60? 1 by 2. So if I reverse it, I'll get 2. In the next question we have cosecant pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? 30 degree. So cosecant 30. But we don't remember cosecant 30. We have to remember sine 30. So sine 30 is how much? 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 will be again 2. Right? Next we need tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, that means nothing but tan 45 degree. That is how much? 1. Again, sine pi by 3 is required. As what is sine pi by 3? Sine pi by 3 means sine 60 degree. How much is sine 60 degree? That is root 3 by 2. Right? So we need, let's substitute this back into the question. So secant square is there. So secant square means 2 square. So let's substitute it. 4 by 3 times secant pi by 3 is 2. Secant square will be 2 square, right? So 2 square minus cosecant, this is 2. This will begin 2 square plus 3 by 4 times tan square, that is 1 square. 1 square, right? So minus 2 times pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. This is root 3 by 2 whole square. So that will become 3 by 4. See here, root 3 by 2 whole square is what? Root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. So 3 by 4. So let's solve this. 2 square, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 over 3 minus 2 square, 4 plus 3 by 4 into 1 is 3 by 4. So minus 2 times 3 by 4, that is 6 by 4. Now see here, 16 by 3. If I take a denominator as 1, 1 into 16, 16 minus 3 into 4, 12 over 3 plus, again that LCM is 4 itself. 3 minus 6 is how much? Minus 3. Now if I solve this, what will happen? 16 minus 12 is 4 over 3 plus into minus 3 over 4. Let's take an LCM. So this into this, 16 minus 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. So 16 minus 9 is how much? 7 over 12. This is the final answer. Okay, let's move to the next questions. Okay, to solve this question, you have to know the quadrant system. So what are quadrants? There are 4 quadrants. This is 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Don't forget to check out our video on quadrant system. We have made it in the playlist. Please go back that video if you don't know the quadrants and what quadrant, what are positive. If you don't know that, please go and check it. Okay, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. So let's solve the question. Sine of 90 minus is first quadrant, so I have to take positive, and sine, it's a complementary angle, so 90 is a complementary, so sine will become cos, there is a theta, just take theta, divided by, again cos of 360 minus, that is a fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, you have to take positive, and it's a supplementary angle, so cos will remain as it is, and there is a theta, so let's take theta, plus secant of 3 pi by 2 means how much? 3 pi by 2 is 270 degree. 270 degree plus theta, 270 plus, this is again the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant secant is positive. I'll take this as positive, and this is the complementary. Secant will be converted into cosecant and theta, right, in the denominator. Cosecant of pi plus, that is a which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant cosecant is negative, so I have to take minus cosecant theta, right? Again we have a plus, so let's take plus here. Tan of 180 minus, this will come into second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, so I have to take minus tan theta divided by, again tan of minus theta means theta 0 in downside, that is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant tan is negative, so again I have to take minus tan theta. Now see here, cos theta by cos theta, let's get cancelled, so I'll have 1 plus into minus is minus cosecant theta by cosecant theta, that again get cancelled, I will also remain it as 1. So minus and minus get cancelled, I have to take plus, tan theta get cancelled, I'll remain with 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So answer is 1. See here in the first question, in this he is given as tan A plus tan B. Remember 1 minus tan A tan B, because there is some angle, there is a different angle. See here, it resembles to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. We know the formula for this is tan of A plus B. So if I want to solve, so this will become tan of, what is that? 69 plus 66. 69 plus 66. So how much is B? 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. So 5, 1 carry, 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1, 135 degree. And also see here, so tan of 135, how to find this? Tan of 180 minus 45 degree. Tan of 180 minus 45 degree. If I take a quadrant, this is 180 minus. In 180 minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative and it's a supplementary angle. We have to take again tan as tan 45 degree. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So final answer is what? Minus 1. Is that cool? Is that cool? We have made an entire video explaining from here to here. Please don't forget to go and check it. Okay. Chala, now the next question. To solve the next question, what is the necessary formula? I'll tell you. See, sine 2a, the formula for sine 2a is 2 tan a in terms of tan. 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Is that good? If there is a 2a, it has become a. So if I take sine a, this will become 2 tan a by 2 over 1 plus tan square a by 2. This is a formula. Again, if you want to write tan a in terms of a by 2, that will become 2 tan a by 2 over 1 minus a tan square a by 2. If you do not know these two formulas, the question cannot be solved easily. Okay, you have to know these two formulas. So now they're asking to find tan a plus tan b. First let's find, tan a plus sine a, right? First let's find tan a. What is tan a? 2 tan a by 2. 2 tan, what is an a by 2 formula? X. So 2x divided by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Sorry, tan square a by 2, that is x square. We know the formula of tan a now. Let's find the sine a. What is sine a? Sine a is 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus a square, right? 1 plus tan square. So 2 tan a by 2, that is 2x divided by, what is it? 1 plus x square. We have to add both of them. So what is needed? Tan a plus sine a. This is necessary, right? So I can write it as 2x upon 1 minus x square plus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Let's take an LCM, or we can take a common. 2x is common. Let's take 2x common. So it will be left as what? 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square. We'll erase this part and continue. So let's continue from the last part. See, this part is what? 2x times 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Let's take an LCM. How to take an LCM? This into this, this into this, this into this. So this into this is what? 2x times 1 plus x square times 1 plus 1 into 1 minus x square divided by this into this, that is 1 minus x square times 1 plus x square. Now see here, x square get cancelled and I have 1 plus 1 as 2. So I can write 2x times 2 over a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. I know the formula of a plus b into a minus b. This is nothing but a square minus b square. So now what is an a value? 1. So 1 square minus b square is x square whole square. That will become x power 4. So if I multiply this inside, 2 into 2 is 4x over 1 minus x power 4. This is the value of tan a plus sine a. Is that good? Yes? Okay. To solve this, what was the necessary? We need to know these two formula. If you do not know these two formula, then it will become very difficult to solve. Okay? Chalo. Hey, these are the one of the similar questions that appear in the examination. See here, cosecant, cot and cos. See here, cosecant, cot and cot. Always the answers will be something like 1, or if there is a multiple, it will be 2 or some integers. So to attempt this, just look at here, 43, 47. If you add 43 plus 47, if you add 43 plus 47, if it is becoming 90 degree, then the thing what I'm going to say, you have to use that procedure. Okay, see here, it is a 90 degree. If I add, I'm getting 90 degree. First two don't touch. Let's touch this. Cot of 47 degree, right? But here 43 is there. So what I'll do, I'll write this 47 degree as cot of 90 minus 43 degree. Is that cool? 90 minus 43 is how much? 47 itself. 90 minus 43 is 47. Now, is that correct? Is that correct? Is that this much is cool? Cot of 47 can be written as what? 90 minus 43. 90 minus 43. Now, cot of 90 minus theta, if I take a quadrant, this is 90. 90 minus, that is the first quadrant. So I have to take this as positive. But this is a complementary angle. We have made an entire video. Please go and check it if you have not checked it. Okay. So please go and check it. 90 minus, it is a supplementary or complementary? It is a complementary angle. Cot will convert into tan. What is this? 43 degree. In the same way, I'll not touch this also. I've done this. I'll take this now. Cos of 47 degree. What is cos of 47 degree? Again, you can write 47 degree as what? 90 minus 43 degree. Because, see here, you will just realize it in 1 second. See, cos of 90 minus 40 degree. 90 minus 40 degree. Now, what I'll do? Cos is 90 minus theta. This is first quadrant. Again, I will take positive. And cos 90 is there. 90 is supplementary or complementary? Complementary angle. Complementary is cos will convert into sine. That's a 40 degree. 43 degree. Now, I will rewrite the question. Cosecant 43 degree, cot 43 degree times cot 47 can be written as what? Tan 43 degree times, and cos 47 degree can be written as what? Sine 43 degree. Now see here. See here. Now cos theta, sin theta get cancelled. Cos theta, cosecant theta minus sin theta is nothing but 1, because cosecant theta is what? 1 by sin theta times sin theta is equal to 1. In the same way, cot and tan, quad theta and tan theta is equal to 1. So this and this get cancelled, and this get cancelled. So the final answer is 1. Is that good? Yes. So these two things you need to know: cosecant theta, sin theta equal to 1, and cot theta, tan theta is equal to 1. See, again I will repeat what I have done here. See here, cosecant, cot and cos is there, na? There were two 43 degrees. I didn't touch 43 degrees. I touched 47. First, you need to convert other degrees, that is 47 degrees, in terms of these two angles. How did I do? I took 90 help and I converted. Again, if I rewrite this, they all get cancelled. This is the beauty of a question. So what you need to do? You have to keep two angles the same, or one angle same. If there is 43, just keep 43, don't touch. For 47, change 47 to 43. Or you can do another thing. You can keep 47 as it is. You have to convert 43 into 47. We have made an entire video on how to convert from here to here. Please go and check it. Okay? Chal. Hey, to solve this, what you need to know the formula of a sin C minus sin D. What is sin C minus sin D? The formula is sin C minus sin D is 2 cos of C plus D by 2 sine of C minus D by 2. This is the formula. Now we'll apply to these two questions. That is sin 70 minus sin 50. In that, C value is what? 70. D value is what? 50 degree. So this C value is 70. D value is 50 degree. So sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means 70 plus 50 is 120 divided by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. That means this minus this. 70 minus 50. 70 minus 50 is 20 divided by 2. There is some number, that is sin 70. Just keep it as it is. Now 2 cos 60 degree sin 10 degree minus sin 70 degree. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So 2 times 1 by 2 sin 10 degree minus sin 70 degree. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. Sin 10 minus sin 70. Now again, we can apply this formula sin C minus sin D. In this, C is equal to 10, D is equal to 70. So we have to apply to the formula. What is the formula for that? 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. 10 plus 70 divided by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. That is 10 minus 70 divided by 2. So what will I get? 2 cos 70 plus 10. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 by 2 is 40. And again sin minus 60 divided by 2. We know the formula. Sin of minus theta is sin theta. Sin of minus theta is sin theta. So I can write 2 cos 40 degrees sin of minus 30 degree. Right? So 2 cos 40 sin minus theta is minus sin theta. I'll put minus outside, and sin 30 degree. How much is sin 30? 1 by 2. So minus 2 cos 40 degree times 1 by 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So we get minus cos 40 degrees. Is that good? Yes? Okay. Hey guys, if you like the way that we teach, please support us by liking this video and also commenting what is your doubts. We'll try to solve your doubt by comment section itself. If it is necessary, we'll make an entire video explaining your doubt. And also don't forget to share this video with your friend as well. And we have an entire course, that is a video course. The link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. That gives us support and energy to do more videos like this. Thank you and all the best.